Press to control devices. Set routines in Alexa, BroadLink App or applets in IFTTT. Simply press a button to turn on one or more devices or set device state. Can be used as three-way light switch together with TC3. S3 hub required and included in the package. One hub can hold up to 8 PCs BroadLink devices within 32 FT. Press to activate scenes. Use the buttons to activate preset scenes. Emergency alert. Set to push notification on your phone when a button is pressed. When an emergency occurs in your home, your family member can press the button to alert you on phone, or trigger a third-party device via IFTTT to send alarm. Free stickers for scenes. Comes with 40 pre-printed scene stickers and 14 colored blank stickers. Stick the icons on buttons so you never forget the function of each one. Truly wireless installation. With 2.4 GHz FastCon wireless connectivity and very common AAA batteries, the BroadLink Smart Button can be sticked or hung to any surface. Simply scan QR code to add device to hub in BroadLink App. It doesn't support 5 GHz and mesh network. Top reviews from the United States. Great value for a functional smart button. Initially, I bought one of these smart buttons with the hub as a kit just to try it out. I did run into minor issues when connecting the hub to my BroadLink account, but it was nothing major as I resolved it in a few minutes by resetting it. The smart button was pretty easy to pair with the hub, but I did have to have Alexa discover new devices before the button registered a click to Alexa even after enabling the BroadLink skill. Like the other reviewer said, Alexa sees the unit as 4 motion detectors. But all you have to do when creating a routine is to set it to when the button detects motion. At the time of this review, each of the 4 buttons only serve one action. No double clicks, no long presses, only a single click. In order to turn on and off a light, you will need 2 separate routines, which will require 2 of the 4 buttons. But at this price range, I think that is still acceptable. I actually liked this smart button so much, I bought 5 more for various smart home devices around my home and labeled each button. Although they do trigger the routine, it does sometimes take 2 to 5 seconds before the routine triggers. I can live with that delay, but you may want to look at a quicker alternative if you need the quick routine response. I haven't noticed any of my 6 smart buttons going into sleep mode. I've left several buttons untouched for days, and when I press a button, the routine still triggers. So far I haven't had any major problems with these smart switches, but they seem to work well for what I paid for.